In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take handwritten notes in Evernote on your Mac or Windows desktop. As we dive into the digital age, the need to combine the classic tactile feel of handwriting with the efficiency of digital tools becomes more essential. Evernote provides an excellent platform for this by allowing you to integrate handwritten elements seamlessly into your digital notes. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, it's essential to start from a note that's ready to be edited. If you think of Evernote as your digital notebook, each note essentially acts like one individual page. So, let's begin by opening a note in edit mode. This step ensures you're in an active note, ready to capture your thoughts or ideas. Make sure you've selected or created a note in which you'd like to work. Next, take a look at the toolbar at the top of your workspace. There, you'll see a plus icon, which acts as an entry point for adding new elements to your notes. Click this icon, and a menu will appear with various options for enriching your note. From this list, select Sketch. This option allows you to add a sketch, giving you the freedom to draw, write, or scribble directly within your note. Once the Sketch option is open, you'll find a variety of drawing tools available to you. The tools include a pen, pencil, and highlighter. Each of these tools offers distinct experiences, akin to their physical counterparts. The pen tool is perfect for making bold, precise lines, ideal for writing or drawing. The pencil provides a more subtle, less rigid line, great for shading or sketching out ideas roughly. The highlighter is useful for marking important sections once your notes are complete, or if you need to draw attention to specific parts of your sketch. In addition to these basic tools, Evernote offers customization options. You can choose different colors and thickness for each tool, allowing you to bring vibrancy or subtlety to your sketches. This customization enhances organization in your notes as well. Color coding can be particularly beneficial if you're creating diagrams or trying to segregate different sections within the same sketch. Shapes are another valuable aspect. With the click of a tool, you can easily draw neat shapes, such as circles, squares, and even arrows, which can be quite useful in organizing thoughts or illustrating concepts clearly. The Shapes feature can streamline the sketching process by adding precision without the need for a steady hand. So, to sum it up, open your note, tap that plus, select Sketch, and start playing around with the pen, pencil, highlighter, colors, and shapes. With all these tools at your disposal, taking notes in Evernote becomes not just efficient, but a fun and creative process. Hopefully, this introduction helps you bridge the old-school charm of handwriting with modern technology, enhancing both your note-taking skills and productivity.